first arrive at our factory. Are you excited? If you have any problems during visiting the factory, you can tell me, okay? Now on the left side, this is our factory. So you can see many buildings here. Later I will introduce you one by one. Okay? Today is very hot. So this is our factory. Now I will introduce you one by one. This is our main building. Our office, production department, R&D department, and also the warehouse packing department is this building. And this is our warehouse, the building for placing more all finished products here. And you can see the right side. This is dormitory for the workers. This is for our accessory building. So now we are going to the upstairs. The director is waiting for us.